Here's a question many NRIs have. If I live abroad, do I still need to file an income tax return in India? It sounds simple, but the answer depends on more than just your location. In this video, let's walk through when filing is required, why it matters, and what happens if you skip it even by mistake. According to Indian tax law, you're considered an NRI if you don't meet the resident criteria under the Income Tax Act. Even as a non-resident, you may still be required to file an ITR in India if your total income from India exceeds 2.5 lakh rupees in a financial year. You've earned rental income, capital gains, or bank interest in India. TDS has been deducted and you want to claim a refund. You've deposited 1 crore rupees or more in Indian bank accounts. You've spent over 2 lakh rupees on foreign travel or 1 lakh rupees on electricity in India. Each of these is a valid trigger for mandatory filing. But here's what many people don't realize. Even if you're not required to file, it may still be in your best interest. Filing a return helps you claim refunds for excess TDS deducted, keep a proper income trail for loan applications, visa renewals, or property transactions, carry forward losses, such as capital losses, to future years, avoid errors or mismatches in your PAN records, and most importantly, prevent potential scrutiny from the tax department later. Think of it as staying one step ahead rather than responding to a notice later. The due date to file your return is 31st July of the assessment year. If you miss this deadline, you may face a late filing fee. You lose the option to carry forward certain losses, and your refund could get delayed or held up. Filing on time ensures clarity, closure, and clean records. If you're unsure whether you're required to file, the best step is to review your Indian income sources and check for TDS entries, bank transactions, or property-related earnings. Keep your documents in order: Form 26AS, AIS, interest certificates, and rent agreements, if any. You don't have to be physically present in India to file. The entire process can be handled online. Tax rules for NRIs can feel technical, but they're manageable with the right information. If you're earning from India, it's worth checking if a return is due. Timely filing keeps you compliant and gives peace of mind.